Tabby. I own the spotlight. They cuddle me first and feed me first, obviously.
I'm the hype man. Zoomies, snow days, and dramatic entrance every time the doorbell rings.
My litter royalty aura attracts all the treats. I'm basically a furry influencer.
I rescue the snack stash from the coffee table while juggling loyalty and slobbery kisses.
Talent. Sleeping in sunbeams and judging the humans for their fashion choices.
Talent. Tail-wagging diplomacy, turning grumpy mornings into wag-filled wins.
Fine, human co-manager. You supervise walks, I supervise everything else.